In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways to open Excel files and sheets. If you work with both Excel and Google Sheets, moving files between them doesn't have to be a hassle. I'll walk you through 3 simple approaches, explain when to use each, and share a few tips so your data looks and behaves the way you expect. First up is the import. Open any Google Sheet you already have, then go to File, choose Import, and click Upload. Pick your Excel file, and Google Sheets will convert it into a fully editable Google Sheet almost instantly. During import, you can choose whether to insert the data into the current spreadsheet, add it as a new tab, or create a brand new file. This is ideal when you plan to collaborate, add Google-specific formulas, or use features like version history and comments. Most standard formatting and formulas come across well, but complex macros or highly specialized functions may not translate. After the import, give your sheet a quick scan for formatting, dates, and calculated fields to make sure everything looks right. Next is the drag and drop. Head to your Google Drive in a browser, then drag your Excel file straight into the Drive window. Once it finishes uploading, double-click the file. It opens in Office editing mode, which means you can work on the Excel file directly without changing its type. Your edits save back to the original .xlsx in Drive, so this is perfect when you need to keep Excel formatting intact or share the file with someone who still uses Excel. If you later decide you want full Google Sheets features, you can use the File menu to save a Google Sheets copy and keep both versions. Finally, try the file picker from the Google Sheets home screen. Go to the Sheets homepage and click the small folder icon on the right. Choose Upload, select your Excel file, and let it import from there. This method keeps your workspace clean, especially if you like starting from a central dashboard. It also makes it easy to rename the new sheet and place it in the right folder as soon as it's created, which helps with long-term organization. To recap, use Import when you want a true Google Sheets file, drag and drop for quick edits that stay in Excel, and the file picker to keep your Sheets homepage tidy while bringing in new data. Stop switching apps and start collaborating. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips.